Solar energy is a practical, eco-friendly solution for homeowners looking to cut costs and reduce their carbon footprint. Adding solar panels to your home has many benefits that we will go over in this video. But it is a huge step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, and it's more than just saving on electricity bills. If you're considering switching to solar, check out our new solar energy tool on theenergyprofessor.com. Here, you can enter your address, and we use the latest tools from Google to provide the most accurate estimates based on your roof, recent electric bills, and our list of trusted solar installers. We will also help you learn how to finance your solar panels. Here's a quick rundown on why making the switch to solar is the right idea. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate advantages of installing a solar panel system is the potential for significant savings on your energy bills. By generating your own electricity, you reduce your reliance on the grid, which can translate to lower monthly utility expenses. Over time, these savings can add up, making solar panels a wise financial investment. Increased home value. Homes with a solar panel system often see a boost in property value. Buyers are increasingly attracted to energy-efficient homes with lower utility costs, and a solar panel system is a sought-after feature when buying a home. Studies have shown that homes with solar panel installations can sell for more than those without, making it a smart investment if you're considering selling. Environmental impact. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource that reduces your carbon footprint. By harnessing the power of the sun, you're decreasing your reliance on fossil fuels and contributing to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. This makes solar panels an excellent choice for environmentally conscious homeowners looking to make a positive impact on the planet. Energy independence. Solar panels provide a degree of energy independence, allowing you to generate your own electricity. This can be especially valuable during a power outage or times of high demand when energy prices spike. With a solar panel system, you're less vulnerable to fluctuations in energy prices and supply disruptions. Low maintenance costs. Once installed, solar panels require minimal maintenance. Regular cleaning and periodic checkups are usually sufficient to keep them operating efficiently. Many solar panel systems come with warranties that cover performance and parts, providing peace of mind and reducing long-term maintenance costs. Government incentives. Many regions offer incentives for installing solar panels, such as tax credits, rebates, or grants. These incentives can significantly reduce the upfront cost of installation, making solar energy more accessible and affordable. It's worth checking what programs are available in your area to maximize your savings. Technological advancements. Solar technology has come a long way in recent years, with improved energy efficiency and aesthetics making solar panels more attractive and effective than ever before. Modern panels are sleeker, more durable, and capable of generating more power, even in less than ideal conditions. From reducing your energy bills and increasing your home's value to contributing positively to the environment, the advantages of going solar are clear. If you're considering making the switch, now is a great time to explore how solar panels can illuminate your path to a more sustainable future. Be sure to check out our solar tool in the description to calculate how much you could be saving at your address by switching to solar panels. If you're looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.